If you want to remove the weather display in Microsoft Edge, you can do it in just a few seconds from the homepage settings. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off so your Edge new tab page looks cleaner and more minimal. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the homepage or new tab page where the weather is showing. Look near the top right corner of the page and find the page settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear icon, and that is where Edge keeps the customization options for the start page. Click that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the settings panel appears, look for the option labeled Show Weather. This setting controls whether the weather widget appears on your Edge homepage. To remove the weather, simply toggle Show Weather off. As soon as you switch it off, the weather section should disappear from the page, giving you a cleaner layout with less clutter. If you want, you can leave the rest of the homepage features exactly how they are and only disable the weather display. That makes it easy to customize Edge without changing anything else, and that's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've removed the weather from Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more simple Edge tips and browser tricks in the future.